What the fuck is that? Is he doing the same thing we are? He must be.
I see a bicycle, though.
Yeah, you're right.
Maybe this becomes a bicycle trail right there. I don't know.
No, it doesn't. I thought that was a guy with his arms crossed waiting for us to get up there. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Was he on a mountain bike, though? Looks rad out there, though.
Dude, I don't... Yeah, we're hitting... Oh, is that airport property? No.
I don't think so.
If it's the airport, we really shouldn't.
Is that a bicycle trail right up ahead?
No, dude. It's, well, you know what? It is. That crosses right here.
Whack. Fuck, that looks sketch. I'm taking a different approach. No, it's not a bicycle trail yet. Although someone's back there.
What? I agree. What I am on is a bicycle trail.
Wonder if we'll run into someone else ripping back here.
That guy looks like he's wearing a yellow vest, doesn't he?
No.
And an orange hat.
Not at all.
Alright, fucking send it if you want. There's cars.
There's cars everywhere.
Go slow up against this dude.
Yeah.
Sometimes people try to jump out in front of you and then claim some shit.
That'd be whack.
You're gonna hit him at like 5.
Yeah, I'm gonna get to the left lane. If you're gonna hit him at like 5. Looks like an old guy on a walk, man.
Yep. Keep moving.
How you doing?
Thanks. That guy had an open freaking buck knife thing on his hanging off of his belt.
Fuck yeah, dude.
That was funny.
He seems stoked.
Now it's a bicycle path.
Yeah. Dang. I mean, dude, I don't see any hesitancy heading back south, personally.
On the trail?
Yeah, I mean,
Alright.
what's the worst that's gonna happen? Someone tells us to fuck off.
The cops like waiting on us is what I'm worried about.
Yeah, no, I can see that.
You think we flip it here?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, I don't want to come out on the bike path. This is so funny. That's deadly.
Yeah. Dang. I almost had it.
Yeah, there you go. You got the bike?
Yeah. That was funny.
See if you can roll it backwards. No, you get it out. Oh, yep, there you go. I'm in the way.
Just walking my dog. Nothing to see here.
Nice job.
That was funny. There you go. It does look fun out there.
Yeah, that's an airport, or else I'd be really interested in going out.
It's weird shifting when you're standing.
Yep. I try to lean forward when I do that to get better angle on the shifter with my foot.
Sure. Do we want to dip here, left or something?
Yeah.
I missed my exit.
Wherever you like.
Wherever yours was, I'll dip there.
Follow me. You could do that. I'm gonna do this one.
Word, I'm here.
Ah, fuck. I'm in a tree. 2 saplings, dude. I'm just gonna go between them. Damn it.
There you go.
That was fine.
Smooth enough. What are you thinking?
You want? Let's make a right and then a left at that light way down there, and then we'll take the grass. Oh my god.
Down.
I'm in second. Then we'll take the grass.
Damn, a Sam's Club even still exists out here?
Yeah, it does.
That's a trip.
Let's go this way.
God damn it. Sam's Club fixes fucking cars.
Yeah. That's the retention pond I was talking about. I don't know what to do about that. But look at this bank turn in the corner.
Fire. Hell yeah, dog. Woo!
Nearly ate shit.
Yeah, same. That was
Yeah, we
sick,
need to
though.
go back the way we came and get on at the road. That was hilarious. It's so slick and soft.
Yeah. Holy shit.
I did that the first time.
That was
Washed
scary.
out going up the hill. We need to get
Yeah.
out of here. Hey, dog.
He doesn't give a fuck.
He waved.
wants the sand club.
He waved. He was like, I didn't want to see that shit. Oh, no.
Fire. That was sick.
Are you going right or left?
Yeah, right.
Sick.
I was hyped. Alright, I don't know where you're at, but
I'm making a right onto the path right now.
pretty public here.
Yeah, that's fine.
I guess we're on the path now, though. So that's cool. Let's dip the fuck out of here, dog. Dang, barkbusters are the truth when you hit trees going freaking 40.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you see any jumps, let me know.
Yeah, it's just bouncy. I'm not gonna try to hit him because I don't want to make too much noise and just cook Dylan down.
Yeah.
All right, that was a jump, I guess, involuntarily. I'm doing this right here.
Word. I'm coming up here to your right.
Come on up.
All right, hold up.
I like the hip check. I'm surprised they buffed any of this back here.
Same. All right, we could probably dip set now.